Hello, Can Do Guy here. I have another purchase from Tractor Supply. It's called the SOG knife. Traction folding knife, satin polished SOG sharp blade, a lockback design. Guaranteed for a lifetime. Designed in the USA. It's still in the box. I'm not taking it out at this time. This thing was on sale for $9.99. I got it at half price for $4.99 plus tax. It was $19.99. I understand these are a well put together knife. There's the lock back. Also has a belt clip. Let's take a look at the back. Traction folding knife, satin polished SOG sharp blade, textured glass reinforced nylon handle, lockback locking mechanism, reversible low carry pocket clip. Designed to be lightweight, durable, and affordable, the traction is made to tackle any job with its sharp stainless steel blade, time-tested lockback mechanism, and strong grin handle, GRN. It's a folding blade. The blade length is 3.31. The weight is 2.3 ounces. Overall length is 7.75. The blade steel is what's specified. The handle is glass reinforced nylon, made in China. Well, this concludes it. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.